how you can track the status of your returns. To begin, access the GST portal at www.gst.gov.in and log in with your user ID and password. From the dashboard screen, open the Services menu, click the Returns category, and select the Track Return Status option. Once the Track Return Status page opens, it will display a list of all the returns that you have filed so far. As you file more returns, they will get added to this list, and finding a specific return might require using the search filters. The GST portal allows searching for returns by entering their ARN or by selecting the return filing period or by selecting the status. The available statuses are validated but not filed, which shows returns that were submitted in the GST portal and were validated by the system, but have not been filed yet. Filed valid, which covers all the returns that were duly filed and taxes were paid in full. Filed invalid, which covers the returns that were filed but the tax was either not paid or paid partially. Assuming I want to track my returns for the month of August 2017, I'll select the Return Filing option once again. Enter the from and to dates, which are the first and the last date of August month, and click Search. All my returns of the selected filing period get displayed in a table with columns showing the ARN, return type, financial year, tax period, date of filing, status, and mode of filing. It's that simple.